Dear students, welcome to second PUC biology class. We are studying about the decomposition. That in the previous class we have not heard the sound of the video that has been played. So today once again I am going to revise the decomposition topic. It is the breakdown of complex organic matter by decomposers into inorganic substances like CO2, water and nutrients. It is largely an oxygen requiring process. Raw materials for decomposition is called detritus. Some of the examples are dead plant remains, dead animals remains, fecal matter, etc. The steps of the decomposition are fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, humidification, mineralization. Fragmentation, it is breakdown of detritus into smaller particles by detrivores. Leaching, water-soluble inorganic nutrient go down into the soil horizon and precipitate as unavailable salts. Catabolism, degradation of detritus into simpler inorganic substances by bacterial and fungal enzymes. The above all three processes carry out at a time, simultaneously. And the humidification is accumulation of humus. Humus is resistant to microbial action, and so decomposition is being slowly. Being collided in nature, it serves as a reservoir of nutrients. Mineralization is a process release of inorganic nutrients due to the degradation of humus by some of the microbes. You can see in the diagram clearly the cycle of the process of decomposition, how the breakdown of the metal takes place, and the again organic soil rich with the minerals and how it is being recycled in the atmosphere. You can see in this diagram that has been explained. And now let us play the video pertaining to the decomposition. Let us watch the video related to the decomposition.
Decomposers did not exist, the earth would be covered by a layer of dead flies about 20 feet deep within a month. Decomposers play a very important role in keeping our environment clean. They break down complex organic matter and convert it into simple inorganic substances like water, carbon dioxide, and nutrients. This natural process is known as decomposition. The raw material for decomposition is the detritus, which comprises dead and decaying plant remains such as leaves, branches, flowers, roots, and dead animal remains, including fecal matter. Decomposition involves a series of important steps, namely fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, humidification, and mineralization. Of these steps, fragmentation, leaching, and catabolism occur simultaneously on the detritus. During fragmentation, the detritus is broken down into smaller particles by detritivores, which are organisms that feed on and break down dead plant or animal matter while returning essential nutrients to the environment. Some examples of detritivores include fungi, insects like dung flies, and terrestrial worms such as earthworms and millipedes. During leaching, inorganic nutrients that are soluble in water drain into the soil and get precipitated as unavailable salts. While during catabolism, the detritus is further acted upon by bacteria and fungi and is degraded into simpler inorganic substances by the action of their enzymes. The next step of decomposition is humidification. where the detritus gets converted into a dark, amorphous substance called humus. Humus is extremely resistant to microbial action, and thus has a very slow rate of decomposition. Moreover, it is also very colloidal in nature, and therefore serves as a source of nutrients. Finally, during mineralization, the last step of decomposition, certain microbes act on the humus, degrade it, and release inorganic nutrients into the soil. Both humification and mineralization occur inside the soil. However, the process of decomposition is affected by several factors. It is primarily an oxygen-requiring process, and the chemical composition of the detritus, along with climatic factors such as temperature and soil moisture, affect the rate of decomposition. For a particular temperature, the rate of decomposition is slower if the detritus is rich in substances like lignin and chitin, and is faster if the detritus is rich in nitrogen and water-soluble substances like sugars. Climatic conditions such as temperature and soil moisture affect the activity of microbes, thus affecting the rate of decomposition. That is, the rate of decomposition is faster when the temperature is warm and the environment is moist, whereas low temperature and lack of oxygen favors anaerobiosis, which slows the process of decomposition and leads to a buildup of organic materials. Therefore, the process of decomposition helps to recycle the nutrients required for the very existence of life.